Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're going to see cars. You want to go see cars? So if y'all can already tell by the title, man, me and my son Javon, look at that boy. We're going to see the new C8, man. If y'all see the title, y'all already know what happened. So we're going to see the C8 right now. They should be doing a tour of the C8 at 11. It is like 10:30 right now. So we heading up there right now to go look at this bad boy, man, because it's a game changer, man, when it comes to the cars. This is a definite game changer. So we're going to see what it's really looking like, and because videos and pictures don't do justice for cars like that. You got to see them in person. So we're gonna head up there right now. Say what's up, YouTube. Say what's up, YouTube. So we're gonna head up there right now, y'all. So we're gonna see y'all in a minute. Yo, I gotta know what that's from. That's from Rush Hour. Hey, Chris. What's up, Papa? Yeah, that is a big bus. Like, he's talking about the food truck. That is a big bus, Papa. You like the car so far? Sound like we got some miserable people already. He just came up to me and was like, don't go up there. You'll be standing forever. Like, oh, man, come on, bro. It don't matter if we standing forever. We here to see a beautiful car, man. See? Negativity in life, man. Don't be that guy. Nice M4. That's a crazy purple too. Jeez, with the compact on it. It's got the wheels. Yeah, that's hot. So here are the seats you can get. The GT1 seat. I want to see the quality on this. Oh wow, this feels good. These are pretty good. What do you like? What do you think about that seat, Papa? GT1. Look at the GT2 seats.
Different than on the picture.
Yeah, they do. They look a lot different in the
look them on the video and online.
Yeah,
it's like a Thanksgiving turkey holding on to a mannequin.
This is still I like this one though.
Yeah.
But they definitely look a lot different than they did online for sure.
My girlfriend would like it because she can't stand that the things don't move. I'm like, honey, it's a 78 sports car.
Yeah, this is the competition. Oh no, this is trash. I don't like this one. It does have the carbon fiber pieces right here. Those are nice. It's got the emblem on the seat, but I don't like the seat. This is like cloth. I think it's better to do the GT2 seats. GT2 seats are gonna be what I think you should get. Got the red stitching, real big bolstering on it. It's got the carbon fiber inlets in between headrests, and then this little strap. This is cool, the little strap they got here. I like it. Look, you can play with the car, Papa. Look. Let me see. You gonna make your own car? With the screen. Touch the screen. Man.
Turbocharged? Supercharged. Turbos are 1980.
Yeah, this color is nice, y'all. So look, they got the different steering wheels. You got the leather wrap one, the suede microfiber wrap. Oh man, this is nice. You like it? Look at him, he testing out the buttons, making sure they're good. The leather one is nice. I think the suede one looks a lot better though, and it feels better too. Got the different key fobs. Here, you want to touch it so bad. Look at him trying to drive. Who you is? Say vroom vroom.
Yeah, you can just see how that's why I say
But this kind of gives me like a kind of like Lamborghini type feeling with the tail lights, but they still look good. I know a lot of people have speculations about the rear end, but I think it looks good. It's a solid. Then you got the quads on the back. Yeah, this thing looks good, man. Come on. Come on, let's go check the wheels. Let's go check the wheels out. Man, this thing is freaking beautiful. Oh, this is crazy nice. All the wheel options you can get. Those wheels are trash. Those look a little better. These are decent. They got the chrome ones, bronze. You know me, I gotta go black, triple spokes. And then they got all the colors of the car as well. That blue's amazing. That blue or that yellow. Yeah, these wheels right here are sick. These are the ones I would get. You like those? No? You don't like them? Okay.
It's coming. Yeah, 21.
So you gotta wait a whole other year, huh?
Yeah. Well, the good news is most people will take this. Like it's, the convertible in this market here. Even on a summer day, cloud
Bro, you gonna be killing the streets in this, bro. This is crazy. Them orange seatbelts, man. Seatbelt options, though. Oh my god. They knew everybody's liking the seatbelt color. You can't pull it off, Papa. This blue and this yellow is crazy. They do have the orange seatbelts on this orange one in here. As you can see, the orange seatbelts. Overall, man, I thought the car was pretty nice. Like it was more than it was more than what I was expecting. So, what I noticed online versus actually seeing the car in person is the seats are a little bit different than what you see online. So if you ordered one of those cars, you were planning on ordering it, go see the car first, because I thought the competition seats were the best seats because they look to be the best online, but in person the competition seats were all cloth, and they didn't feel any type of high quality at all to me. If it was me, I would go with the GT2 seats. The GT2 seats were really nice. They had that red stitching on it. It has the carbon fiber trim pieces in the headrest part of it. And I thought that seat was really nice. Also, what I noticed, a lot of people don't like the rear of the car, but I thought it was really nice. And I feel like you'll warm up to it once you have the car. They have a million different options to spec this car out, man. And the same thing it was online, but to see it in person was just a whole different thing. The seat belts, the different color calipers, the colors they had, the wheel packages, I'm impressed, man. I think this car is gonna change the game, for sure. Companies are gonna have to come hard, man, and compete, and I can't imagine what the Z06 model is gonna be like. So I did not like the idea that they had all the gears and buttons and climate controls all down that one little slot, but it doesn't look bad. It actually looks pretty good. It looks like it belongs there. I didn't like it in the videos, but it did look good. I was really wishing that they had the actual car outside, but they didn't. So anyway, shout out to Bob Johnson, man, for sending us that invite to come see that C8 today. We appreciate it. Beautiful car, man, beautiful car. I just wish I got to sit down and see the full layout of the dash and stuff. That's the only part I missed, but we'll see it another day. There's 2 other showings this week too. Bob Johnson was just the first one to do it, so I'm trying to think, is there anything else I missed? But let me know if y'all like that car, man. That C8's hot, man. I like it. I like the C8. I think it's gonna sell really well too. There was a line of people all saying, oh, I put my order in already, I put this order in, and there was like a line to put orders in, and I mean, it was 100+ people waiting in line to put down payments on cars. So I think it's gonna do well. I'm very hyped to see what Dodge is gonna do. We know the GT500 is coming out, so I'm excited. There was a lot of Ford guys there too. They were talking hella junk. So you had a couple Mopar guys. It was me and this one other guy that were Mopar guys. Just interested to see what the competition was doing. So I think it's gonna be good. It's gonna be very interesting, man, to see this car. And I think as you look at it more and more, it looks less like a Ferrari and it looks like its own car. Because I know a lot of people, oh, it looks like a Ferrari. It does. It did from a distance, but up close, you know, you kind of want to give it its own. It does give itself its own look. But I like it in general, man. I like it. I give it. I don't even know what to say. I'm shocked. It was a nice looking car, man. They had like the gray, or I want to say it was either gray or cream interior with the orange seat belt, which I thought was sick. Had the black wheels on it. The only thing I would rather have is that black spoiler that you can order on the configuration. So, but listen, if y'all like this video, man, throw a thumbs up, man, for me. Please throw a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, man. Stay tuned for the next one, y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. We out. Peace.